and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This time guys it's the number 76. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 76. If you would like to see the previous 75, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the ink cards in the end of the video. And guys, we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. This of course is from editorial Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures which I unbox. So make sure to check out that, it'll be in the playlist located in my channel. And well, let's open this up. Here it talks about the Grand Yellow Salon, I should say. These are really pretty chairs. Oh well, let's open this up. Here we have the Grand Saloon or Salon. I'm not sure how you would say it exactly. But you have these beautiful curtains. These like chandeliers, you have 3 of them, very nice. I love the flooring here as well. And of course guys, here it shows you piece by piece all of the different parts of this room. But it's really nice. And here guys, it shows you how to put this wooden piece that we got. Very cool. And also this wallpaper as well. I walked you through how to do it step by step. Oh well. Let's open this up. And guys, as I always say with this collection, I will walk you through how to do it step by step and we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this dollhouse, make sure to leave a like down below. here it talks about when the telephone was invented. And then it talks a bit about Alexander Graham Bell, the inventor. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here on the back we have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, this collection is of course from Salvat. And well guys, let's flip this back to the front. And well guys, now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so first up we have this wallpaper which looks like brick, which is going to be for the front of the dollhouse. This is the front side. This time it only came with one of these. I'm going to show you the other side, which will be white. So very similar to the ones that we've previously unboxed. And then we also got this piece, which will be for the front panel of the dollhouse. Here we have what will be the door or entryway to the house, as well as two windows, one on this side and one on the other. We of course will end up cutting these out, this out, and sanding it down. But as I always said guys, once we have the entire collection unboxed, I will walk you through how to do all of that. And here is the other side of the panel. You have the doorway again, this window, as well as this other. And well guys, that's that. Tell me what you guys think. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. And well guys, that's the end of that. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And guys, of course, as I said before, make sure to go on over and check out my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. And I will have his links down in the description below, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. And well guys, with that being said, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.